Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are going to see about a rose face pack. Rose is known as a symbol of love and beauty since ages. This gorgeous flower is not only for expressing love but also to enhance our beauty. Now, coming to the benefits of this face pack, rose contains vitamin C, which acts as a sunblock to our skin. It also hydrates our skin and has anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. And curd is a natural moisturizer. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For this face pack, we need just two ingredients. One is rose. Here I have taken 3 buds of rose and another one is curd. Now combine these two ingredients and grind it to make a thick paste. This is how the face pack looks. I'm going to apply it all over my face evenly. This is how my face looks like. I feel so fresh and moisturized. I think so you can see the difference from start of the video and now. That's all guys. Do try this at your home and comment in the below section. We'll see in the next video. Until then, signing off from Revathi. Bye. And if you guys want me to make videos in Tamil, do comment in the below section. I'll surely do for you. That's it guys. Bye.